thanks for stopping by my channel. Today is your girl LT. Thanks for stopping by Slay LT. It's your girl Slay LT. Get that right. So today I have two hauls that I'm gonna do. The first haul is very small. It's one from New York & Company, and the second haul is from where's the haul from? Shein. Now I do have some dupes that I'm going to be doing, but that's gonna be on some separate videos. So be sure to check those out. I'll go ahead and leave the links to those below. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It is absolutely, positively freebie, okay? Go ahead and tell your friends about it. Get them to join on this train here with Slay LT. And basically, on this video, if you guys haven't already seen any of my videos, go ahead and check those out. But I'm basically just pulling these out of the bags, so you guys will see those. I'm not in my glam room today. I'm in one of my bedrooms. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into it. I have already opened the bag for the New York & Company. If you haven't already visited my channel before, you know that, or if you have already visited my channel before, you know that basically what I do is I just pull them out the bag on the first videos. The second videos is basically me taking them out of the bag that they actually come in and put them on my body. The third videos, I'm going to do like a commentary as to how the garments are. Now, one thing that I will say, I did open the New York & Company already. These were only 2 pieces that came in this bag. It just came in a regular postal bag. And this time around, typically with New York & Company, I would get my packages within a week. This one actually took about 2 weeks for some reason. There's no special holidays or anything. The only holiday right now is Juneteenth. Which actually just became a holiday, so I was kind of surprised as to why it took so long to get these. And normally with my New York & Company garments, well, actually this didn't come US Postal. This came through UPS. So the Shein, that came through UPS postal services. It came through the actual mail, but this one came knocking at my door. But this first piece, this is, I just pulled this out of the bag. The regular price on this, well, let me tell you what it is first. This is a how can I say this word? It's basically a graphical, geometrical tube top, but it's like a kimono. So it flows all the way down to my legs. You can wear these with jeans. It's a tube top, and it's actually split in the middle. And once I take it out of the bag, you guys will get a better understanding as to what it is. I'm also going to show what it is on the video here. I put a picture on it so you guys can see what it is. But it's relatively long. It's almost dress length. So I can do jeans with these. We can do tights with these, jeggings, leggings, whatever you desire. But it's so many different colors. If you look at it, it has black, white. It has black, white, blue. I'm sorry, somebody was texting me. Black, white, blue, red, pink, and yellow, purple. So it has a lot of different colors in it, and the material is like that. It's almost like a linen type material, but it does stretch a little. It has a little stretch to it, but it's so cool because you can wear it with so many different styles. You can go dressy with it, or you can go with jeans, casual look, with some heels. You can even go with some sandals with this look. So it's pretty versatile. So once I take it out the bags, you guys will get a better understanding as to how it actually looks. So that's the first item. The second item is, these are some pants. Let me see what this is. Okay, these are some pants that I purchased as well with New York & Company, and Oh, the regular price on this geometrical shirt was $64. It's a new item that just came out with the spring collection. Actually, this was a new one that was just posted when I purchased it. So I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and get it now so I can make sure that I have it in my size. You guys know that I am on a weight loss journey, so a lot of the sizes that I'm buying are either my size or 2 sizes down, because I do plan on getting back down to my normal size, which normal for me, I'm trying to lose. Dun, 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 dun. Check out my next videos or my weight loss videos so you can see what my plans are for those. But I actually bought this in a large, and I'm just going to, because sometimes I just like to rip into the bag to see how it feels. I'm just going to rip into this right quick to see how this feels. And this is one of those, it's like a jegging type material, and it's kind of like baggy. This is the bottom of the pants. So if you can imagine it, but it's so weird because my ankles are so freaking tiny. Even though right now I'm over the weight that I would like to be, my ankles, the bottom of my legs are so small. But this would actually probably fit pretty good. It is stretchy, which it does have a little stretch to it, not a whole bunch. But I like the fact that this is black and white. I can pretty much wear this with a lot of different tops. I can go with a blazer with it, tank top, I can go with a white tank top, different color tank tops with some nice dress shoes. So I think that would be pretty cool to wear. And that's pretty much all of them with the New York & Company. I just went 2 pieces this time because those were on sale. The geometric top I paid, I believe it was on sale for $30, and the pants was on sale for $21, if I'm not. Actually, let me just look in here so I don't get to lying. Okay. I did lie. Okay. No, I didn't lie. I just didn't remember the prices exactly. So I like to be accurate in my sayings, because even though this was on sale, I can guarantee you this sale price is either going to go down, or because it's new items, it's going to go back up. But you want to always catch New York & Company sales. One thing I learned about them, if you don't catch these items when they initially go on sale, when they come out, it's going to be about 2-3 months before you're able to get them on sale again. And the bad thing about that is they may not even have them in your size at that point. So the jogger linear pants, that was the regular price was $59.95, and this was actually on sale for $41.96. So that was, it was a fairly good discount on it. You got about maybe 8, 9, 10, about $9-10 off. The maxi top, that was $45.96. Regular price was $64.95. So that was a pretty good deal on that one. So both of these pieces, they came out to about $80 total. So that's pretty much a good deal on that. So you want to make sure, like I said, if you see those items on sale, you want to make sure that you catch them while they're on sale, because if you wait, you definitely won't get them at those prices for months in. And of course, the discounts, they have these HelloFresh meals, which I am going to try one of these days. I haven't tried it yet. And also the wine vouchers. Also, if you guys haven't ordered from New York & Company before, or you have ordered from New York & Company before, you know, they do send you the $100 wine vouchers. Basically, what you do is you sign up to nakedwines.com. They do have wine vouchers on there where you can get like certain amounts of bottles of wine every month. You get the first, you have to claim these within the first 30 days. I haven't tried it yet, but I am aware of the process for it. You try the wine voucher, you have $100 worth of wine vouchers, and then what you would do is every month you make a monthly payment, I believe, and you get to choose different wines every month based off of what membership you signed up for. Let me get that out for some reason. But anyway, go ahead, if you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe to this video, share it, sign up to my channel, and make sure you turn your notifications on so you are aware when I do have new videos posted, so that way you are not out of the loop going to go ahead and end this one here because I do have another video that I need to do for the Shein coming up. Again, you guys, thank you so much for supporting me so far, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye.